For many Medicare customers, they do not realize what they should plan for when it comes to the cost of premium for their Medicare Part B and other premium dollars or out-of-pocket expenses just to cover the basics when it comes to healthcare, not including out-of-pocket expenses for long-term care costs or other major medical situations. This graph shows in 2026, Medicare Part B jumped by nearly 10%, and this is the projected increase by the trustees of Medicare Part B. That's only one aspect of the premiums that a retiree should plan for. So what we've done here at the producer's firm is we put together a spreadsheet, a worksheet to help you demonstrate to your customers what the future cost of that withdrawal should look like or they should plan for. This is a simple spreadsheet that we've designed to help once again demonstrate to your clients the future out-of-pocket costs or the future deductions from their Social Security check to cover Medicare Part B. Simple data input. It shows the annual cost of Medicare Part B, Medicare Part D, uh, Medicare Part C, if that's applicable, Medigap insurance, if they are not using Medicare Part C, and out-of-pocket insurance or out-of-pocket costs that they may incur to meet deductibles and the like. As you can see here, once those are inputted, it shows a total 20-year projected cost of out-of-pocket for your clients. We've also included in this a worksheet that shows what it would take in present dollars based on monthly inputs of the cost, inflation rates, annual interest rates, a timeline of 20 years, how much they should plan on setting aside today for those future costs. What this is designed to do is actually help you demonstrate to your client an alternative to simply paying that out of their bank account and look to an annuity to create a cash flow that will help them cover those out-of-pocket costs. A simple way to present a solution to your client with an annuity to cover those costs. We hope you'll utilize this tool or work with one of our case coaches who can help you establish the concept, look for an annuity that will cover those costs or help to cover those costs, and present this to a client in a meaningful way.